Find the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 3, 4 and 5. Here, if we take x equals to 3, y equals to 4 and z equals to 5. Therefore, LCM of the 3, 4 and 5 equals to 60. And the smallest 3-digit number is 100. Now, if we divide 100 by the LCM value, that is 60, we get 1 as quotient and 40 as remainder. We know our required number is smallest n-digit number plus in bracket LCM minus remainder equals to 100 plus in bracket 60 minus 40 bracket close equals to 100 plus 20 equals to 120. Find the least possible 5-digit number which when divided by 10, 12, 16 and 18 leaves remainder 27. Here x equals to 10, y equals to 12, z equals to 16, w equals to 80 and the remainder k equals to 27. LCM of 10, 12, 16 and 18. All are the even numbers, so 2, 5 are 10, 6, 8 and 9 for 18. Here we have 6, 8, 2, 5, 3, 4. Again we have 3 and 9. 3 is 9. LCM 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 1 into 4 into 3. 2 2 is 4, 4 4 16, 16 5 80, 89 is 720. That's right. We know smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. On dividing 10,000 by 720, we get 13 as quotient and 640 as remainder. So the required number is 10,000, that is the smallest 5-digit number, plus in bracket 720 minus the remainder, that is 640, plus 27. Here is the remainder we have. So 10,000 plus 80 in bracket 27, 10,107 for all. It is the answer. Six bells ring at intervals of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 seconds respectively. They started ringing simultaneously. How many times will they ring together in 30 minutes? LCM of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 seconds. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10. All are the even numbers, so we go for 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. Now we have 2 more even numbers than we 2 1 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 5. All are the primes, so LCM equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. We don't need to take the 1. So we have 2, 2, 2. That means 2 to the 4 to the 8. 8 5 is 40. 40 is 120. Seconds. Or better say 2 minutes. Required number of time equals to required number of time equals to 30 by 2 plus 1, that is equals to, now we have 2, 30 plus 2, 32 by 16, 32 by 2 equals to 16. Here we add 1 because the bells started ringing together. Now it's the time for the famous traffic signal sum. The traffic lights at 3 different road crossings change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. If they all change simultaneously at 8 hours 20 minutes, when they will change again simultaneously. Like the other LCM sums, we have to find the LCM of the given seconds 48, 72 and 108. So we have 48, then 72 and 108. Go for 2 12s are 18s 27. Go for 3 also. 3 4s are 6 are 9s are 2 2s are 3 9 3. So we have 1 2 3 4 2 and 1 2 3 3s in all. LCM equals to 4 2's to 3 3's. We know 3 2's means 8, 16, and here we have 27. 16 into 27. 16 is 6, 4, 2 is 12 and 4. 432 seconds. And if we convert it 432 60 67 12 to 7 minutes 12 seconds. 7 minutes 12 seconds. Now the 3 lights will change at the next time. Sorry, I missed simultaneously. Simultaneously at the next time equals to 8 hour 20 minutes plus 7 minutes 12 seconds. That means 8 hour 27 minutes and 12 seconds. Just the answer.